For users that are small around your waistline, you might end up with a strap around your waist going all the way back here. So you might feed the strap all the way for it to stick out back here. Then the teeth might get caught on the covers here. So as this locking bit, the telescopic lock, push against the strap itself, the teeth are going against this edge and you might get a little bit locked in. You can remove the cover like so if you're like getting stuck. Not likely, but you can. Press it in again. To avoid this, we're opening up the straps. We take a cutter. You can see we made pre-made like length. Don't cut too much. You can start with taking off the first length and then move closer in. So to do so, you can use like a branch cutter. These are actually really good. These are super strong, so they won't like break down these nylon straps as pretty much any other strap on the market, since this is like 3 times the width of a normal one. I take this cutter, I align it to one of the 45 degrees edges here. Just slide it in, cut it off. I do the same thing on the other side here. So let me show the camera. Super easy, align it. Oh, hey, cut it off. Now we have a small text here that says where the size is. So this matches the 45 degrees cuts. So I'm just gonna place my cutter where the arrows are. I hope it's visible along this edge, and I pretty much cut it down. Sorry, that's a weird angle for me. There we go. So all I have to do now is a little bit of like cleanup work. Like so. You can trim a little bit around the edges. Like so. So now you have a good cut. Now, once it goes in, you can travel all the way down and it won't stick out here. So this enables me to open up the buckles much easier without having to fight the strap along this edge. Okay.